Yeah, hello guys. Let me just give an update on how I've been able to get into this trade. Okay, now earlier I was waiting for a pullback into.
Hello?
Let me go back a little.
No, I'm not
I
saying
was
so.
waiting for a pullback
Yeah.
into this region.
Okay.
So to contest this actual breakout right
No,
here.
I don't want
And this will be a very
No, I don't
nice
want that. I want
opportunity
to get
for me to actually get into the market. But then I was looking at this slackness of the buyers trying to push back up
No, I don't want
into the region, and
Yeah.
I discovered that they were actually struggling in getting back up. And when you move down into the 15 minutes chart, you could see how they've been trying to move back up, and right here they got
Okay, I'll send
rejected back. And
Technically.
price move up, you have a new high, and gradually from there we've not been able to see a new high, and here we did saw a new high, and you could see this drop down rejection position, went back right into this position, and this gives me a signal that this guy that did all this is actually around. So I had to be patient enough to look for a little bit of more slackness into the buyers. Now when I want to take my trade, I don't take my trade from a moving trend already. The sellers are selling already. You don't go to the market and start buying buying from the buyers, or rather you're selling to the sellers. Okay, you only want to buy from, you want to sell to the buyers. Okay, I don't know if you get my point. So once I see this slackness in the move of the market, you could see this area slackness right there, and was an opportunity for me to think, if they couldn't cross this, I could use a sell stop around this region, and that was what triggered into this position I took. And right now I was anticipating, if you see my first screen share, I was anticipating for this region. If I had loved to take profit, I'll have taken profit right in this region, and you can see prices begin to get slacking around that region. Okay, but then I was also looking at what are the optimistic, if this guy pulled down to this location on one candle, could he do a second candle down to this region? And I decided to move my take profit, okay, into this region right here. And it will be good if I see a pull down into this region. Then for me to balance up, I need to break even, so I move my stop loss into this area, and you can see it right there. So I won't be so surprised if there's a pullback into that region and triggers out my stop loss. I'll still end up in profit, but then there's still an opportunity for me to get this. So this is how I did take this trade. I hope it gives an opportunity for you to also have an understanding how to take your trades. Thank you very much.